This is a painting you can almost hear. This painting sounds like summer, splashing water, boisterous voices, bodies in motion, all compressed into a single summer morning. What you're looking at here is not just a busy swimming pool, it's one of the most important paintings Leon Kossoff ever made. Let's dive in. Children's Swimming Pool, 11 o'clock, Saturday morning, August 1969, is the first and most ambitious work in a series of large paintings Kossoff devoted to Wilson's public swimming pool between 1969 and 1972. It marks a turning point in his career and how he painted modern life in London. The scene captures the charged energy of a Saturday morning at the height of summer. Through tall panes of glass, the green-edged King Edward VII Park frames a dense constellation of more than 40 bathers, splashing, bobbing and diving beneath the surface. At the right edge, a woman, likely Kossoff's wife, Peggy, stands waist-deep in the water. At the left, a young boy, plausibly his son David, prepares to dive. We are looking down from the pool's observation deck. From this elevated viewpoint, the composition becomes a single rectangular field of movement. There is no centre, no resting point. Light ricochets across the surface with an almost staccato rhythm. The public pool is transformed into a theatre of human energy, where sound and motion and light seem almost audible. But the true subject of the painting is the pool itself. The water becomes a living medium, animated by reflection, light and constant motion. Kossoff fractures the surface so that the bodies dissolve into shifting planes of colour. Jewel-like passages shimmer against darker enclosing fields of paint, and the eye is guided rapidly across the canvas by quick, decisive brushwork that mirrors the movement of the swimmers in the water. For Kossoff, crowds were never anonymous. He believed that every mark represented a real person, often someone he knew, even when figures merged into the mass. This work belongs to a crucial moment in Kossoff's late 1960s practice, when his vision of London shifted away from the heavy, somber paintings of bomb sites and building excavations and towards the fragile beauty of everyday life. The swimming pool paintings mark a stylistic and emotional resurgence. Dense impasto gives way to thinner, more luminous paint, applied to boards primed with titanium white to create a subtle glow-through effect. Critics at the time recognised this as a renewal of Impressionist concerns, a sustained attention to light, season and time of day. Like the Impressionists and Post-Impressionists before him, Kossoff turned to scenes of leisure to re-engage painting with modern life. Held today in major public collections, the Swimming Pool series stands as one of Kossoff's great achievements. In this painting, the everyday becomes monumental, a fleeting summer morning transformed into a lasting record of light, movement, and human presence.